24? Ate?
Tignan mo. Ito yung sa akin na. Para pipindutin mo kapag simula na yung match.
Ay, buti naka-mic. Off-mic pa ako.
Pwede mo naman yan eh. Mag-add ka na lang ng sound effect. Like background music kaysa narinig mo sa pangit.
Ayoko pa nun.
Try to dodge it.
Arena.
Nice one, team.
Oh, no, our enemy is kinda good.
Okay. Naka-sniper,
Burst rifle
naka-dagger,
ako, bird.
naka-knife, naka-warhorn. Okay, Jay.
Naka-jump pad.
Mag-warhorn ako ah.
Sige.
Sige. 50? Pero ko, nabackstab ako ng bacon pero na-50 ko siya. Level 33 na backstab ako, Perd. Niga Aura. Oh, yan. Okay lang, magkaka-highlight ko sa akin, Perd. Uy! Pre, naka-pigil pa ingat, pre. Oh, Fred, slide, pre! Slide! You're dead. Move!
Ang lakas. Wala? RPG gusto nila, diba? Okay. Nice and...
Tara, backstaban tayo, ano?
Look, how did I not backstab that guy?
Nagat-tubo.
Back.
Shoot the ground! Okay, time to use my special weapon.
What?
The bow.
Oh, yeah. Kanina nanalo ako all because of bow. Not joking, though.
Wait, abangan ko siya dito. Tapos i-freeze ray ko siya. Freeze ray! Oh, I'm gonna die. Burned! Ingat pa para sila low. Nice. Para sila low. Oh, nice! That's 15. Nice one shot. 32 HP. 25 HP.
Oh, na,
On
ano
the
ba?
right. Uh-oh. Chatty might be cooked. Chatty might be cooked. Chatty might be cooked.
Ay, Molotov!
Chatty might be cooked. You don't have any bow anymore? Nah, okay, RPG na. I want to use RPG. Because I'm not gay.
Okay, it's only for RPG.
Guys, we're gonna give this to
Okay, I got the bacon with the flamethrower.
I got 120. I don't know what none of them. Oh, both of them are low. Told you.
Double click, but that was not highlights.
Teka, ano po dito?
Warren ulit.
I'm showing a flashbang.
Ito ba kay guys? Paano?
Ay! Ako yung na-flashbang mo.
Backstab na naman ako ni.
Kanino ba? Sa akin?
Ay! Ay! Ay!
Ito po yun.
Ay! Ay!
Hindi. Hindi ba blast?
Hindi ka naman
Hindi ba blast lang yan?
Bye!
Red, ba't parang nabubugbog? Now you're gonna get backstab.
Guys,
I'm not.
bibigay dito.
Hey, babe. I have an idea.
They're so gay, so I'll also use RPG.
Me too. RPG, and then use ano? Satchel. Punta ka dito ngayon. Boo!
Sabog!
Nasaan isa? 50?
Ah! 50?
Nice. Got it.
Oh no, we're actually both gonna die. Ah!
Okay.
We're both dying!
Huh? Nah. How did we lose?
They're both smurfs. They're already both so
Ang tagal
good.
ko na kasi hindi naglalaro, nawala ng laro ko.
Me too. Kanina lang ako naglaro.
Yeah.
Ang nub-nub ko pa din. Hindi ko pa gamay yung rivals game ulit. Dati wala daw pa ng skills ko dito eh. Yung mayroon pang mga... Kaya pa, Jerry, na ulit pick natin ah.
Hindi, chess na lang.
But we're not gonna use our tricks there anymore. And, oh yes,
Wait.
test na nga lang.
Ano tayo? Contraction tayo, boy. Contraction.
Anong contraction? Parang construction yun.
Contraction yun.
Construction yan. Saan yan? Scroll down. Ito construction. Nauna kami. No.
6, 7, and 132. So, we're cooked, bro. We're actually dead.
No. I have my flashbang. Kuya Pods, dito ako sa magto-throw flashbang.
No, tuta ko. Dok lang. Warhorn. They're rushing. No. 100.
Power to power.
50. Bam! Okay, this guy's dead.
Ooh.
It was only 67. 50. Another 50. That's it. Ganda, trick shot. You see that trick shot?
Kanina, ang ganda ko talaga sa RPG. Like, sobrang ano ko, chamba.
Let me just do something.
One of them are rushing here to right side. Kapag you might get flashbang.
I did it.
One of them are using RPG, the 132.
I'm getting someone with the flashbang. 50. Pinakalikod ko shot. Why are you following me? I'm in danger.
40 ko tong negro na to sa akin. Si 14. Oh, the 14 guys almost low. I mean, he's low na. One hit na lang yan. Told you. Kaya mo yan, promise.
One dead. I didn't see the Molotov. I mean the flamethrower.
Ay!
50 lang yan. 50 lang yun. Pwede pa kapalang ko yung pili. Third, patay na ako. Third. Kaya yun.
50 lang din yun.
Oh, yung headshot na dapat yun.
I will put satchel at the right side.
Yeah, I'll bait.
I hope they don't see my satchel.
I think they can hear it. I'm gonna go smoke.
Oh! Ay, walang masama ang satchel ko. Two of them are with me. Oh, let's go. Both of them.
It's actually so hot. We're so pay to win. I actually have to hit someone with the sniper right here. Or else we're cooked. 50 ko yung yun.
Ay, walang sabog.
91 ko yung bacon.
Sabog! 50 ko itong nigaro na to.
60 na lang yun. Itong bacon na tuloy. Okay na natin. The next one.
Did I kill someone before that?
Yep. Got him!
There's a chance.
I mean,
I'm good at RPG. Whew. Don't need to fake this. Oh! I just predicted them! Oh my gosh. I predicted them, Kuya Pod. I 50 just to die to 50. Kuya Pod, I predicted them, bro.
they're
Alam ko
both
na-
there.
I know. Na 100 ko isa dun, yung black guy.
Parang wala pa rin tayo highlights.
I hope. Predicted? Unpredicted. Sablay. Wala nang tao dun.
They're there.
100 ko na tong tao to. Patay kayo sa... Ay, hindi pa namatay. Patay? No! They're both low.
Sige, takbo.
I damaged the bacon. Oh, don't shoot me, please. Kabaj! Please do this for our Philippines.
Ayaw ano? RPG
See,
na
they're
ano?
both low.
RPG and Sacho.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So they're rushing at the left
I'll
side.
go on the right side, yung Satchel ko sa left side.
Predicted.
Predicted to predict. Nah, they're gonna be Satchel. Nandun sa side mo.
Oh, sabog.
Patay si boy. Hey. Batay. Bam. Until I just hit the wall.
I damaged that guy 50. Sudden death.
We actually have to crush this. What's it? I'll put mine on the right side again.
I hope I get lucky. No.
Let's do.
Oh, I 50 that guy. Please,
I'm
Kuya
not
Pod.
dead.
This is for Philippines. Come on!
I hate them. Bro's literally in the PC.
How do they win their bro?
Let us play, ano?
That again?
Okay. Kita dyan mo. Hanap tayo na bala dyan. Wait. Let's see.